You know, that shoulder tension can become a pain in your head and your neck too. So let me show you the best way to relax before you go to bed. Now, if you got low back pain or tension down here, put the big pass on your low back.
Dr. Ho is great.
Low back pain and just feels great. Now, if you got tension
I still have
here,
his back belt I use once in a while.
Okay, you ready to
for
relax?
my arthritis.
Here we go. Okay, let me turn the intensity up for your shoulders. Let me know when you feel it.
So, it's almost 5:30 in the morning on June 12th.
This is so soothing. Don't worry about falling asleep with Dr. Ho. It's got a sleep timer built in. You just press the time.
I'm going to try and read this without my readers.
40 minutes. The device will shut itself off so you can go to sleep.
I deal with a lot of stress and
Ludwig
anxiety.
versus Virginia, the U.S. Supreme Court rules the state
sometimes causes me not being able to
banning interracial marriage to be unconstitutional.
It's painful and uncomfortable, but it's actually really relaxing and gentle. I really like the timer feature because in the night.
So I got a few things set up here,
and it helps me sleep, and then I can do my.
And I'm not planning on doing much today. I got some oil in here, and Sharon has left all her stuff here. I use this now for popcorn. I don't know where Sharon is. And then I'm gonna have some soft-boiled eggs and some French bread with a bit of cheese grated, and I'm steeping some chamomile tea for later tonight. And tomorrow, there's my calendar. Tomorrow, I'm going to go to the pub and watch the hockey game because the Oilers might win. That would be nice. I was born in Edmonton. And so today, I'm just going to relax and chill. And I'm going to watch Clint Eastwood, High Plains Drifter, Walk the Line, The Outlaw Josie Wales, and I'm just finishing up RV with Robin Williams. Poor guy. Mutiny on the Bounty. Yep. I'm going to be reading the 3rd chapter, Men Against the Sea. I've read Pitcairn Island and Mutiny on the Bounty. And I'm going to paint my turtle. So no one can say I don't wake up early. Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Right, Bobby? It's 13 degrees and he's attacking his corn. Right? Yeah, you're okay as long as it doesn't get down below 8 degrees. And these are all the birds of BC. And all the waterfowl. Waterfowl of the West. So the sun is rising over Mount Peter. Oh, there goes all the sparrows. Oh, I gotta fill up my bird feeder again. So the sun is about to rise over Mount Peter and Mount Paul. It's 5:30. And my what do you call these again? Portulacas? No, not portulacas. Oh, what are these flowers called again? Anyways, before Norman died, he donated these plants to me. Potentillas. Not portulacas, potentillas. And they do well in the hot sun. So I transplanted these here. And those ones in the middle, they're not doing very bad. And what are they called? Oh, I don't have my glasses on. I don't know. What is it? zinnias. These are zinnias. Wow. Okay. Oh, I'll fix that later. I don't know what that is, but it's kind of neat. And this is my rock garden. This is what Mom always used to have back in the 70s. She had a rock garden. I got a fossil that I found in Fintry Lake a couple years ago. And there's a dinosaur bone and something my grandfather found out of his back 40 when he was cultivating. It looks like a dinosaur elbow or something. So, and then I got that for 50% off. Hey, it will add to the selling value of my house when people see that I maintain and take pride in my ownership. House proud and proud of members of my family. I got a nice call from Steve last night. That was nice. You know, I've been here for 5 years and nobody's come out here to visit me. Nobody. Oh well. C'est la vie. It's gonna be a hot one today. Here's all the birds. We're probably watching Bobby. Yeah, I was kind of sad yesterday when I wasn't able to rescue that bird. They euthanized him. Phoenix. A member of the starling family. So, they look happy up there. Oh, here they come. Here comes the rock doves. Searching for seed. No, I think you've eaten it all. Sheesh. Well. So I'm having popcorn later tonight. And I'm going to be having my eggs and French bread. Geez, that brings back memories. Everybody in Tahiti was carrying around these French bread rolls topless. You can do that in French protectorates. Right? Right. Well, who's talking to me today? Buddha, Mother Mary, or K2? Or Mom? Or Dad? I have no fears. I'm not scared of anything except for one thing. I have one fear. Gynophobia.